Good evening, everyone. We are reporting habitat destruction. First up, I am Bradley Bebetonio, along with Kyle Angeles, Prince Luis Mejido, and Justin Pamet. First, let's talk about the introduction and definition. Habitat destruction refers to the process where natural environments are altered or eliminated to make way for human activities such as agriculture, urbanization, mining, or logging. This destruction leads to the loss of biodiversity and disrupts ecosystems, threatening the survival of numerous plants and animal species. For the cause and effects, let's hear it from Angeles and Pamatlo.
Effect about habit destruction. Deforestation driven by agricultural expansion, logging, and infrastructure development. Urbanization, rapid urban growth consumes large tracts of forests, wetlands, and grasslands. Pollution, chemical runoff, waste degrade natural environments. 4. Mining and quarrying, activities devastate ecosystem. Last, climate change, alter habitats making them inhospitable for native species.
Justine.
So here's the fact. First of all, loss of biodiversity threatened extinction of species due a habitat fragmentation. So second, ecosystem imbalance due to food change and ecological processes. Third, increases vulnerability to disaster loss of natural buffers like mangroves of forests, heightens risks, foods and soil erosion.
Mhm.
Lastly, economic losses. Communities relying on ecosystem for resources face economic hardship.
Impact on the Philippines. The Philippines is one of the world's biodiversity hotspot but faces severe habitat destruction.
Deforestation. Once covered in lush forests, only about 23% of forest cover remains due to logging and conversion to farmland. Coastal habitat loss. Coral reefs, mangroves, and seagrass beds are heavily degraded by urbanization, fishing, and pollution. Threatened wildlife. Iconic species like the Philippine eagle and tamarau are critically endangered due to habitat destruction.
Below is a presentation of this state of
Mhm.
habitat
Mhm.
destruction in the Philippines.
Mhm. So let's proceed on the resolutions to minimize the effects of habitat destruction. So first, reforestation and restoration. Promote afforestation programs and restore degraded ecosystems such as mangrove, forest, and coral reefs. Second, strengthen legislation. Enforce stricter laws against illegal logging, mining, and urban encroachments in protected areas. And lastly, community-based conservation. Empower local communities to manage and protect their natural resources, sustainability through education and livelihood programs. So, in conclusion, habitat destruction poses a critical threat to the planet's biodiversity and ecological stability, with far reaching consequences for both the environment and human well being. It disrupts ecosystems, accelerates species extinction, and heightens vulnerabilities to natural disasters, particularly in regions like the Philippines, where unique and rich biodiversity is at risk. Addressing this urgent issue requires collective action through reforestation efforts, stricter legislation, and community driven conservation initiatives. By prioritizing sustainable practices, environmental stewardship, humanity can mitigate the effects of habitat destructions, and work towards preserving the natural world for future generations. So that's all for habitat destruction. Then again, my name is Prince Winyap with Brent Dave Betonio, Kyle Charles Angeles, and Justin Panopio. And thank you.